Thank you, Sensible Child, Dr. Mrigank, and Dr. Shipra. In this program of psychometric testing, I learned a lot, and in a month and a half, I gained information and knowledge about a number of psychometric tests that is going to help me in my future as a clinical psychologist. I would highly recommend this program to anybody who is interested in the same field, and also I'm looking forward to your next programs.
Hi everyone, I'm Surika Sharma. I attended childhood assessment program which was conducted by Dr. Shipra. Dr. Shipra is very good with her knowledge of different kind of tests. She basically focused on tests related to autism, ADHD and learning disabilities. She is very good and thorough with her knowledge, and
Hello, my name is Anshika Mendiratta, and I was a part of the childhood assessment program that was held by Sensible Child. I'm glad that I came across such opportunity. The program covered testing of IQ, autism, ADHD, etc. The course is a valuable learning experience and has helped me focus on testing skills and even increase my confidence. It also provided me with valuable information and improved my skills so that I can move forward in my ambition. Dr. Shipra Gupta was the facilitator of this program, and she was warm and polite throughout the sessions. She explained all the tests in great detail and answered all the questions with great patience. This was an online program but was equally engaging and fun. I'm grateful for this opportunity and look forward to many others by Sensible Child and would highly recommend to others.
Hello everyone, myself Nika Sultana. I'm an occupational therapist working with children with special needs. I'm here to thank Sensible Child Organization for conducting childhood assessment program, which really helped me to understand my children in a better way. I would like to thank Dr. Shipra for explaining all the scales for assessment in a really clear and understandable way. I would also like to thank Dr. Mrigank for always helping and supporting us. He was always available for us. Thanks a lot for Sensible Child for conducting such an important topic. Thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Nitya. I did the childhood assessment program. It was very good and very informative. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rachna Vyas. Good afternoon. मैम वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन करके हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. हमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला, जैसे असेसमेंट, एनालिसिस करना बच्चों के ऊपर, बच्चों को हम कैसे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, और काफ़ी टेस्ट जो हमें सीखने थे वो हमें सब सीखने को मिले. और ऑल ओवर बहुत अच्छी वर्कशॉप रही मैम, और हम चाहते कि आगे कंटिन्यू ऐसी वर्कशॉप होती रही जिससे हमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिले. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, my name is Kripa and I was a part of the childhood assessment program held by Sensible Child in the month of May and June. This program covered the testing for the areas such as IQ, learning disability and ADHD. This month-long period was enlightening and informative. Our facilitator, Dr. Shipra Gupta, thoroughly explained each test, supplied us with additional resources and thoroughly answered all the questions. I'm grateful for Sensible Child for providing me with this excellent experience. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm here to share my experience on the program conducted by Dr. Shipra. It was a very good program. I learned a lot and looking forward to more such programs.
Hello everyone, my name is Karishma and मैंने भी ये क्लासेस अटेंड करी और मुझे ये क्लासेस बहुत अच्छी लगी. बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव था और डिफरेंट टाइप्स के असेसमेंट सीखे हमने, और इट वाज वेरी फ्रूटफुल फॉर मी फॉर लर्निंग दिस, एंड इट वाज वेरी वंडरफुल क्लास. थैंक यू.